Welcome. Today we will explore on cultural awareness, building bridges in a diverse world. In today's globalized society, cultural awareness has become more important than ever. As communities grow increasingly diverse, understanding and respecting different cultures is essential for fostering harmony, collaboration, and mutual respect. Cultural awareness is the ability to recognize, appreciate, and respond thoughtfully to the customs, beliefs, and values of people from different backgrounds. It goes beyond tolerance. It requires active engagement, empathy, and a willingness to learn from others. One of the key benefits of cultural awareness is its ability to reduce misunderstandings and conflict. Miscommunication often arises from assumptions based on one's own cultural norms. For instance, gestures, speech patterns, or social customs that seem ordinary in one culture may be misinterpreted in another. By developing cultural awareness, individuals can avoid inadvertent offense, build stronger relationships, and create environments where everyone feels valued. In workplaces, schools, and social settings, this awareness can significantly enhance collaboration and cohesion. Cultural awareness also promotes inclusivity. It encourages individuals to look beyond surface-level differences and appreciate the richness that diverse perspectives bring. Celebrating cultural diversity through food, art, language, and traditions can create a sense of belonging and mutual respect. This inclusivity not only strengthens social bonds but also fosters innovation, as diverse teams are often more creative and better at problem-solving due to the variety of viewpoints they bring. Education plays a pivotal role in building cultural awareness. Schools and universities are increasingly incorporating programs that teach students about global cultures, social histories, and intercultural communication. Early exposure to different traditions and ways of thinking nurtures empathy, curiosity, and open-mindedness. Likewise, workplace training programs focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion help employees develop the skills necessary to interact respectfully and effectively with colleagues from various cultural backgrounds. Travel and personal experiences also enhance cultural awareness. Immersing oneself in new environments, learning foreign languages, and engaging with local customs allow individuals to gain first-hand understanding of different ways of life. Even simple acts, such as attending cultural festivals, reading literature from other countries, or participating in community events, can broaden one's perspective and deepen appreciation for global diversity. Ultimately, cultural awareness is about building bridges rather than walls. It encourages dialogue, empathy, and cooperation across differences. By valuing diversity and embracing cultural learning, societies can become more harmonious, resilient, and innovative. Individuals equipped with cultural awareness contribute to a world where respect and understanding prevail over prejudice and division. In conclusion, fostering cultural awareness is a vital skill in our interconnected world. Whether in education, the workplace, or daily interactions, it enables people to engage meaningfully with others, reduce conflict, and celebrate the richness of human diversity. By committing to understanding and appreciating the cultures around us, we lay the groundwork for stronger relationships, more inclusive communities, and a future defined by mutual respect and shared understanding. Thank you for your patience hearing.